Hello my friends. In this modeling project, I am building a multi-part project of the Soviet Attack Helicopter Mi-24p Hind in scale 1:72 from Zvezda. The following project is inspired by real events. This is the box of the Soviet Attack Helicopter Mi-24p Hind in scale 1:72 from Zvezda, one of the best helicopters, and hopefully the same will be true for the kit. The box includes some clear sprue and the decals, a paper that I don't need, and the manual, which has 2 assembling versions. I will go for the first one, which has open hatches, doors, etc. Here are the painting versions, and the rest of the pages are for the 32 steps of the model kit. Last, it has lots of normal sprue, including couple pilots that, because of the 1:72 scale, they are so cute next to my finger. Let's go. Starting with the cockpit, cutting and then smoothing out the parts with the hobby knife, file, or sandpaper. When needed, using the hobby knife carefully in the opposite direction to avoid cutting or damaging the parts. Attention! Keep always in mind that after gluing, painting, etc., to let things dry. These smaller ones need extra attention. Assembling the cockpit. placed this wrong. Fixing. Another mistake here. I guess because I am tired from my job, I get confused by the manual or something. Fixing this and going to sleep. I knew because of the scale that things would be so small, but still I find it cute. I also prepared the pilots for painting. Look at them, they are almost as small as my nail. Keep on gluing. Some work, off camera, more assembling. Did these off camera. More gluing. Did these off camera. Combining these constructs. Prepare these off camera. Assembling. We'll leave these open because I will need to paint them. Mini drill and drilling 2 holes. As you can see, the panel lines are barely visible. I bought this Tamiya's plastic scriber 2 tool and will use it to carve the lines, using some masking tape to avoid any mistakes. But still, this is my first time doing this. Better now, but needs some more carving. So much better now. More carving. Finished off camera with the carving. As expected, because it was my first time doing this. My work isn't perfect, but I think it is much better than the default state of the kit. Attaching the doors. Prepare these off camera and German Panzer gray primer, airbrushing. Gunmetal gray painting. painting with metallic steel. Combine them off camera and gunmetal gray painting. Done off camera. Dark gull gray. But first, I have a confession to make. Please keep this between you and me. I had to paint around here, and when trying to remove the seat, I damaged it. I will fix it, of course, but please keep this a secret between you and me. Off camera, painted here, with ochre and aluminum. Also here, with black and aluminum, continuing with the black. Since I don't have duck egg blue, painting with pale gray. Off camera, did this with aluminum. Done off camera. Also, painted these little ones with tan and steel. Gray painting. silver. Black here and there. Done. Did the seats with ochre. Did some glossy varnish with the brush only on the surfaces that I will be placing the decals. Mix decal set before placing the decals and mix decal fix afterwards. The first prepares the surface and the second takes care of any curves, bumps, etc. Pressing with a cotton swab to take away the excess air or liquids below the decal without damaging it. When things have dried very well, then we use the decal fix. Decal fix. Depending on the decal's placement, you may need to coat twice. Supergluing the turboshaft engines. Unfortunately, because the pilots are so tiny, I had to paint them off camera. Supergluing. More gluing. Done off camera with the fuselage, painted with green and black the console, and did some glossy varnish on it. Placing the decal. done with the decal, including the decal fix. Placing, using Tamiya's extra thin cement, quick setting. Attaching the sides of the cockpit. Did some work on the tail, and on to more gluing. Also did these two, off camera. Keep on gluing. Camera did some work here and there. However, as I have said before, the past few weeks have been quite hard on me, and even though I said that from the two assembling versions, I will go for the first one, which has open hatches, doors, etc., I ended up gluing the doors by mistake. So basically, I removed them for now. Last but not least, prepared the wings. Gluing. Great primer. Hopefully you like the project. And please be patient for the release of its presentation, because I love this amazing art and I strive to be better. Please do help me by sharing your words of wisdom in the comments below. To be continued. Hit the like, subscribe, and notifications bell buttons. This way, together, we can grow a community around the exciting art of scale modeling. Stay tuned for more Mi-24p inspired content, as well as for more scale modeling videos. Thanks for watching.